Welcome back to this week's video. This week is just a piggyback off of the cannabis oil tincture that I recently did. And I thought today I would show you guys how to make your own cannabis oil lip balms. So it does make a quantity of 2 plus an additional little tiny bit in the bottom of the jar. I didn't want to waste it, but it's very simple. It's just the cannabis oil tincture that I made, beeswax, and if you wanted to, you could do color and essential oil. So it's up to you. So let's get into the video right now. That is it on how you make your own cannabis oil lip balm recipe. It makes a quantity of 2 plus a little bit in the jar here. And very simple. This one is plain, no essential oil. This one has color and essential oil. So it's up to you. You could add cocoa butter, shea butter, yeah, anything you want. So it's fun to sort of create, and it's a 1-to-3 ratio. So 1 part beeswax to 3 parts oil. And that's it. So that's the ratio you follow, and you can make this. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next one.